This is a quick tutorial on how to use our new ultrasound machine that we got at Jefferson Hospital. This is a GE machine. We're going to focus on turning the machine on and off, and then also how to select the right probe. When you first look at the machine, it can be a little confusing. There's a lot of buttons, different colors. Let's simplify this a little bit. First thing, let's get rid of the keyboard. It's unnecessary. And the first step I want you to know how to do is to turn the machine on. And here in the upper left-hand corner, you can see this off on switch. And I'll zoom in for you guys right here. And this is what I want you to press. I'm hoping that you don't have to use this that often. I'd like the machine to be on, plugged in most of the time. That indicates to me that it's being utilized, whether it's by a doctor, a nurse, a tech, etc. Again, to turn the machine on, this is your button to press. Next thing I want to focus on is how to select your correct probe. Down here you see this exam button, and that's the button you press to obtain the correct probe. Now when you press this, you're going to get to a screen that looks like this. And it looks complicated just because there's all of these options here. There are different types of ultrasound modalities that you can pick. But to simplify this for you guys, I don't want you to worry about any of this. And all I want you to focus on are these three things. And this is your probe selection. You can pick a phased array, a curvilinear, or linear probe. For the most part, the only probe you're going to be using is the linear probe, this 12L probe. And that's the only thing I want you to select. Now the way to select it is not as intuitive as you would think. You need to move your cursor right here to this area right here where it says 12L and then press the enter button. And the enter button is actually on the right side of this tracker ball right here as opposed to the left. I don't know, maybe because I use a Mac and the cursor is always on the left hand side. That's where I'm used to it being. But the correct button to press is indeed the button labeled enter. And once you press the enter button, the machine will be ready for you. You don't need to press an exit or a close button. You, as I said, use your cursor, select the probe, which for you is going to be the linear probe, and then press the enter button. So again, the two main take-home points from this video: the on-off button is located here on the upper left-hand corner. The exam button is what you need to use to select the correct probe. You do that by taking your mouse cursor, place it over the linear probe, press the enter button, and then you're ready to go. Hope this video helps. Please contact me or let me know what questions I can answer. Thank you so much.